umaga. Mula kaninang umaga, kirtan na tayo eh. So, masayang-masaya ako kasi unang-una, alam ko ay at walang duda na ang ating gathering ngayon is very pleasing to our spiritual master. Kung saan nagkakaroon ng pagtitipon ng kanyang mga disciples at estudyante, kung minsan siya ay babati, Sir Prabhupada would say, thank you very much for grouping yourself together. Thank you very much for joining this gathering. He is very happy to see us getting together at sama-sama tayong ituon ng ating attention sa Holy Wings. Kanina, napakinggan namin sa kirtan, kanina papunta kami rito. Sabi ni Sir Prabhupada, please say the names of Krishna. It makes my life worthwhile. Sir Prabhupada is so humble, and he's taking us to say the names of Krishna, and he said it makes his life worthwhile. In other words, so matutan yan ay natutuwa siya, masaya siya, nakita niya tayo na kama-kama. He is very, very happy. Why? Because he knows Krishna is happy seeing us chanting the holy names together. So, maraming salamat. And maybe we can do this again next month.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
At siguro baka mas maganda na yung klima by that time. Actually, pinagbigyan lang tayo ni Krishna. Kahapon tinanong ako ng anak ko, pa, kasi nag-42 degrees sa Angeles eh. Kaya pa, paano mo isusurvive yung bukas? Tapos 1 week ko na rin minomonitor ito eh, temperature dito. Nagpo-42 din dito eh. Pero kanina, kausap ko si Jojo. Sabi ko, mukhang hindi 40 to, baka 37 lang to, 38. So, pinagbigyan tayo. Ibig sabihin nun, ulitin natin next month siguro. It is a very simple program, yeah, a very simple gathering, not so much rules. Sama-sama lang tayo magkirtan and enjoy the remnants of the Lord, prasadam, and then sing together the holy names. Naalala ko one time, so naalala ko one time, tinawag ako, ay, tawag ka, pinapatawag ka ni Baladev. So, mag-blow out daw siya ng halo-halo. So, pumunta kami sa iba. Nag-libre si Baladev ng halo-halo. Ako, si Chaitanya Dasi, Kunti Dasi, Chaitanya Dasi, tapos sino pa? Sino pa, Kunti? Wala si Yogeshwar. Wala na si Yogeshwar noon. Si Baladev, yun lang kami. Tapos, kumain kaming halo-halo. Ayos. Tapos nung pauwi na kami, kasi mag-lecture si Acharya, ako yung nagdo-drive. Tapos biglang gumanon sa akin si Acharya. Shit! Shit! What kind of life is this? We just ate a halo-halo, and then we sing, and then we dance, and then we eat nice foods. What kind of life is this? It's so miserable, isn't it? He's getting sarcastic ba? Mga, di ba, parang klaseng buhay ito. Sabi nga, kakain tayong halo-halo, tapos mamaya kakanta tayo, tapos sasayaw tayo, tapos kakain tayo ng remnants ni Krishna. Anong ko, masyadong miserable. Binabaliktad ba niya? Of course, miserable means sipsipan mo yung buto ng dead animal. That is miserable. So anyway, thank you very much sa pagbigay ninyo ng aming association. Naghahanap kami ng association ng devotees. And the devotees here in Pinonggo are very close to my heart. And at alam ko din, ang pagsama-sama natin. Kanina, nag-figure na tayo, I hope my imagination is not tricking me. Pero nararamdaman ko talaga na nakangiti ang ating spiritual master. Masaya si Prabhupada. Kapag malaman niya yung merong ganitong klase gathering. Our Guru Day, Sri Prabhupada, is very, very happy. So, thank you very much. Haribol!
Haribol! Thank you very much.
Jaya Jaya Sri Chaitanya Jaya Nityananda Jaya Dvaita Chandra Jaya Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Haribol! Jaya Jaya Sri